Hi everybody, today I will be making salt and pepper shrimp. Cut the horn out and then the eye and the whisker at the, I guess the arm and leg. I cut from the top, insert it and cut it through like this. Or a bamboo skewer and then remove the gut. Oh, that's a big one right here, like that. Here's my clean shrimp. I'm going to use a towel to dry it, okay? I'm going to marinate the shrimp, salt, a little bit of sugar, black pepper, chicken bouillon, garlic powder. Just gonna marinate this. For my vegetable, I have red pepper, green pepper, and half onion, and only have half. This was left over from my last video tutorial. I cut the vegetable into, like small pieces. Just cut into small pieces just like that. And you put all this vegetable together. And I'm ready to make the batter. So this is all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, baking powder, and then water. Stir this until it becomes like a thick batter. Okay. Now I'm making my seasoning. I have salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, black pepper, garlic powder, and then crushed red pepper. This is my seasoning for the shrimp. I mix all the shrimp and the batter ready. So I'm putting the chopstick and it's bubbling, but it's ready. Shrimp. You're gonna cook this until it turns golden brown. So they cook pretty fast. I'm ready to fry the vegetable, but first I'm gonna remove some of these crumb out. You don't want to cook it too long, just a little bit. That's it. That's our vegetable. It's hot, so I'm gonna add in oil, add in garlic. Fry this a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna add in the shrimp. Add in the vegetable. I'm gonna add in the seasoning and onion. Just it's not gonna be long. You're just gonna toss it until all the seasoning mixed all together. So this is my sauce. Basically, it's the same ingredients I used to marinate the shrimp, but I'm just gonna squeeze it with lime, some lime juice. It's good. Good part right here. Sauce is good. I'm gonna use my hand a little bit. Roll it up like this. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean and devein the shrimp and marinate the shrimp and the batter, the seasoning for the shrimp, and also sauce, like big sauce. This sauce and everything go well together. Give this recipe a try. And don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.